What's up, everybody? It's your boy Sat coming to you with today's stock pick, indicator help, and general investment tips. Remember, this channel is all about no face, just facts in 5. I do the research so you don't have to. Shout out to 11 Labs for making every video possible with their next-gen voice cloning and text-to-speech tools. Link in the description and profile. Let's dive in. Holy moly! SpaceX and Google just dropped a headline that could shake up both the AI industry and the upcoming SpaceX IPO. Google has agreed to pay SpaceX roughly $920 million per month for artificial intelligence computing power. And the timing couldn't be more interesting because this announcement comes just days before SpaceX is expected to make its historic public market debut. So what exactly is happening? According to reports, Google will gain access to approximately 110,000 Nvidia GPUs, along with supporting infrastructure, memory, and processing capacity. In simple terms, Google is renting a massive amount of AI computing power from SpaceX to help support growing demand for Gemini and other enterprise AI products. The agreement reportedly runs through June of 2029 and could be worth approximately $30 billion if it reaches its full term. That's not a typo. $30 billion. Now let's talk about why this matters. First, it confirms that AI demand remains incredibly strong. We've heard people talking about an AI bubble for months, but companies are still spending enormous amounts of money to secure computing resources. Google already has its own custom TPU chips and some of the most advanced infrastructure in the world. Yet even Google apparently needs more capacity. That tells me demand continues to outpace supply. Second, this changes how many investors may view SpaceX. Most people think of rockets, satellites, Starlink, and Mars. But this deal highlights another side of the company. SpaceX is becoming an AI infrastructure provider at a time when demand for computing power is exploding. Earlier this year, SpaceX merged with xAI, bringing Elon Musk's artificial intelligence ambitions under the same roof. Since then, the company has been expanding data center operations and building infrastructure capable of supporting next-generation AI systems. What's even more impressive is that this isn't SpaceX's first major AI contract. Reports indicate the company recently secured another large agreement with Anthropic. Combined, these deals could generate tens of billions of dollars in annual revenue and create a completely new growth story for investors. Third, this could strengthen the bull case for the upcoming IPO. Investors were already excited about Starlink, launch services, and future growth opportunities. Now they have another reason to pay attention. Massive AI contracts provide recurring revenue and demonstrate that some of the biggest technology companies in the world are willing to spend heavily with SpaceX. And let's not forget Google's side of this story. Google is in a fierce battle against OpenAI, Microsoft, Meta, and Anthropic. The race to dominate artificial intelligence is accelerating, and every company needs more computing power. Instead of waiting years to build additional facilities, Google is effectively leasing capacity so it can meet customer demand today. There may also be a hidden benefit for Alphabet shareholders. Alphabet was an early investor in SpaceX years ago. If SpaceX successfully goes public at a valuation near current expectations, Alphabet's stake could become significantly more valuable. That means Google may benefit both as a customer and as an investor. So what's my take? I think this announcement reinforces one of the biggest themes in the market right now. The AI revolution isn't just creating winners among software companies. It's creating winners among infrastructure providers. The companies supplying chips, power, networking, storage, and computing capacity may become just as important as the companies building the AI models themselves. Nvidia has already proven that point. Broadcom has benefited. Data center companies have benefited. And now SpaceX appears to be positioning itself as another major infrastructure winner. At the same time, investors need to remember that expectations are becoming extremely high. Trillion-dollar valuations require exceptional execution. SpaceX will need to continue growing, delivering capacity, and proving that these AI opportunities can become long-term revenue streams. The bottom line is simple. A potential $30 billion deal with Google just days before one of the biggest IPOs in history is a major development. Whether you're bullish on SpaceX, bullish on AI, or simply trying to understand where the market is headed next, this is a story worth watching very closely. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. If you found value in today's video, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who's just beginning their investing journey. This is Sat with Stocks by Sat06. No face, just facts in 5. Keep learning, keep investing, keep building. Peace.